How to use Free Fire rank push strategy. To use the Free Fire rank push strategy, you have to choose passive drop zones. So dropping an early game is also one of the key ways to push your rank. First of all, land at the unnamed compound or blue zone aces far from the flight path to avoid early game elimination. And also prioritize survival loot, gather level 2 plus vest, helmet, medical supplies, and at least 3 glue walls before engaging in any fights, and also secure a vehicle. And during the mid game, make sure to position yourself well. Make sure to position yourself at the edge of the zone, and also only engage in fights when you spot two other squads battling. Make sure to third party counters, or only make sure to third party the groups rather than engaging on a fight yourself. And also make sure to use the character combinations for ranking. Use the active skill and passive survival options. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.